There's a place I have found in the shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only me, no one can guess what I came there to see.
Watch out!
Sappy tried to help Chappie. He ran as fast as he could. Just as he was about to put his friend to safety, Little stumbled over a rock and fell into a deep pit. Timmy and Slimmy rushed to the edge of the pit and looked down in shock.
Oh my God! The pit is so deep!
What do we do? How do we get them out? Help! Somebody help us! Wait! We are getting you help. Don't worry. You do just hold on tight.
Slimmy and Timmy hopped swiftly to the marshes and gathered the elders. So the other frogs hopped and jumped and gathered around the pit to see what could be done to help the young ones. When they saw how deep the pit was, they were shocked.
Oh my! The hole is too deep for us to save them!
Yes, we can't risk losing more frogs trying to save the...
You got to help us, please!
Quietly looked at their friends, who were helplessly stuck in the pit and were looking at them for help. The elder frogs continued to reprimand Chappie and Sappy.
You two should have been more careful. Now there's no way of getting you both out. We are sorry.
Chappie and Sappy looked at them in despair. Slimmy and Timmy began to cry.
It is a day of great sadness, everyone.
Timmy, what are these two doing?
Slimmy! I think these two are...
Yeah, jumping.
For you see, children, unwilling to accept their terrible fate, the two frogs stuck down in the pit had begun to jump with all their might. Some of the frogs shouted into the pit.
Hey, kids, stop! You will never reach up. It's futile to try. Stop! Don't waste your energies like this. You should have been more careful, more obedient to the froggy rules.
The other frogs continued to discourage Chappie and Sappy. Save your energy, give up, and huddle. Then suddenly, wonder of wonder! Amazed, all the other frogs celebrated this miracle.
I am so happy that the two of you are back.
Thank God you did not listen to the others and give up. What? The elders were telling us to stop.
The pit was too deep, so we couldn't hear a word. We could just see the elders shouting, and the two of you gesturing us to come out.
Yeah, so whenever we felt like giving up, we looked up and thought you all were encouraging us not to give up. It was your encouragement that kept us going.
When the elders heard what the little frogs had to say, they felt very ashamed. They realized how negative they had been and apologized to the kids.
There's a place I have found in the shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only me, no one can guess what I came there to see. There's a sun in the sky, there's a cloud